on my hands down.
Wherever you're comfortable.
Yeah.
We'll just get you to take a deep breath into your belly. That's good. Some jaw tightness there.
Oh yeah, my jaw's absolutely locked.
Yeah.
Like I've had issues with my jaw for a few years now, where where I've kind of slowly developing an underbite, and I noticed that I chew. It's actually hard to chew and to produce saliva.
Yep.
Like because the jaw positioning. Just feels and seems out of alignment.
Yeah.
And I'll get a bit of clicking, I think, in this one as well. Yeah, that bit. Yeah, up to along there. Yeah, it's like nearly goes into the cheek up there. It's
kind of both sides, but
yeah.
this one's bigger.
Yeah. That's
Chunky.
Yeah.
Oh man, yeah, this arm is so tight.
Yeah. it's
So it's like,
yeah,
shocking, yeah.
Oh yeah.
9 or 10 out of 10 tight up there.
Yeah, and like even when I bench press and stuff like that, like 'cause I don't do heavy weights, but when I bench press, like I just feel all of it loading just through this.
Yeah.
Like just that area there. Oh yeah, see, even that's just.
Yeah. How's that?
Yeah, it's pretty. That'd probably be around a 9.
Okay.
Oh, like it, you could probably go a little bit further, but I mean, I might. Oh yeah, that's so like gritty. Oh, that's sending like shocks in you.
Yeah, this is the inner thumb band.
Yeah, and that's the one that you said was.
Yeah. This is where I was suspecting it's coming from.
Feeling that that it gets, but it goes to more of a sharp.
Yeah.
Through
right
that.
through there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna.
And already I can feel like hotness going up into my face.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, this inner thumb band can definitely. I mean, the outer thumb band in particular, though, has an effect on the jaw. So we'll look at that one as well. These very precise acupressure pens that Stephen got me into are pretty effective.
Oh yeah.
Some people would find them uncomfortable.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Yeah. We're not gonna let that worry us too much,
We just work through it.
Yeah. Such is life,
God, that's intense.
Yeah.
Oh. And instantly, that spot, just I feel myself locking up in my jaw.
Yeah.
Like.
Yeah, I think we'll do your whole thumb because that outer thumb band. So yeah, I'd usually stop with this. You can feel if I get in here, it's a bit too pokey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God, it's gritty through there.
Oh yeah.
Like even I can feel it.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh yeah. It's So I've changed the side.
Yeah.
But I don't think any discomfort's associated with the precision.
I believe that it's
No.
anything to do with the tool. It's all me.
Yeah.
It's not you, it's me.
Good breathing. Oh yeah, that's
Yeah. So I'm getting a bit of a hot spot now in that index finger. It's so weird.
in that one.
Yeah, when it gets worked along there, it peripherals over to there. It's so weird.
Yeah. Well, I often say this part of this is associated with this outer thumb band.
Yeah. And the tears, minor and major, at the back of the shoulder there. I know you don't like the names, but
The tears.
Yeah, that's the outer little finger. Is it, or the? That's the biggest that thumb's ever cracked.
Right.
Yeah.
I'd have to have a real look at it and think about it.
Yeah.
I had to learn them all relearn them several times, and I keep forgetting them.
Yeah. Because they're super tight for me.
Yeah.
Like in that back bit there.
Yeah.
And I have a feeling that also, you know what I mean, is kind of restricting the shoulder, but
that'd all be coming from your hand.
Yeah.
Different fingers.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was a double clicker on your thumb.
That was a big one.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
It's good because you're handling it. You know what I mean? Like you're breathing it and you're letting it go. It's like we can shift things quickly. You know.
Yeah. Yeah, and I really, because I notice you can kind of, even when you do breathe, you can still be holding on.
Yeah.
But like, I really try and just go complete dead weight, like, and just breathe like a relaxed, calm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. That was the third one I was looking for.
Because I can already feel that loosening right up.
Yeah.
Like just with the sensation, you know, the threshold. Like, nowhere near as intense as what it was just originally, but
yeah. No, it's good that able to breathe into it, let it go, and that your body's not too old. How old did you say you were? 32 or something? Yeah.
See, that's fucking cool, yeah. Oh, I remember, I think you were doing the outer little toe band up the thigh, and I remember at one point I was like, nah, I can't take any more.
Yeah,
like,
well, just tell me,
yeah,
you know?
I'll let you know.
Otherwise I'll just, keep trying to get tension out as best as I can, kind of thing. Sorry, this tool's a bit cold.
Oh.
There's something going on just in here.
Oh yeah, I can feel it. That's been the most intense in there. Like, I mean, in that joint that you were just doing.
In here,
yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a common one. I get really tight in there from massaging people as well. It's just like constant. Like,
yeah, well, I mean, it would never go away.
Goes away and comes right back.
Because they're your main tools, really.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
yeah. Even right now, that's what I'm doing. Is that on you?
Yeah, I reckon some tools that have the same, the same needle, like the ballpoint needle, but went out kind of in a cone shape to a little bit thicker, so that you can grip them a bit better. Like, do you know what I mean? So you're not holding on to the slip. Like, if it came out that way, and you could kind of have your fingers resting against, the outward cone bit, I reckon it would.
So like a wider, wider.
Yeah, so if it came out like, you had your ball point there, and then it kind of came out like that, you know what I mean? So then you could kind of just grip it and just push rather than actually gripping it. Oh, my thumb just feels
much better.
So much more
something
movement.
like that. But something,
Yeah.
I haven't used it. I only just got this for the first time, but
me, that just
feels better.
Oh, already like this just feels all like it's moving in compartments.
Yeah.
That just feels like a nice circular motion now.
Yeah, good.